So over the years, YouTube has evolved from a platform that rewarded personalities to one that prioritizes topics. It's not about who you are anymore, it's about what you're talking about and how well it fits with your audience and what they're searching for. Now, YouTube's algorithm acts like a matchmaker, almost like a Tinder, or I don't know, I've never used them. But it's not just about showing content from channels you're subscribed to anymore, it's showing videos that fit what you're most interested in right now. So what does this mean for creators and creatives especially? It means that consistency beats variety every single time. You can't just jump from gaming one day to self-help the next and then expect the algorithm to know who to recommend your video to. Creators who stick to one niche grow faster because the algorithm knows exactly where to place their videos. And viewers then come to trust them as their go-to source for that topic or that niche. And the shift, or niche if you're American. And this shift is not just for YouTube. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, they are also sparking the move to what's called the interest graph. Unlike the follower graph of the past that we used to see, where you saw content from people that you followed, the interest graph prioritizes showing you videos on topics that you care about, whether you follow the creator or not. Now, for us creators and us creatives, this is huge. So if you understand that your audience and stick to one topic, you can grow faster now than ever before. I started this channel with the intention to build it for all platforms and all creators and all creatives under any niche and any topic. But looking into the research and diving into my metrics, I realized very, very quickly that the niche is too broad for me. I was basically trying to reach too many people. So by concentrating on long form video and YouTube specifically, the people that I attract are creatives, and I want to be specific about that word, creatives, rather than creators. I don't just want anybody, I want creatives that believe in the long form aspect of YouTube that I think usually generate a higher volume of creativity, who are passionate about art, filmmaking, and passionate about the content that they're behind. So, if you've been wondering why a variety show approach isn't working, then this may be your sign. To hone in on your niche, double down on what's already resonating with your audience, and let YouTube's algorithm work for you. So now that we know that YouTube is playing by some new rules, how do you actually win in 2025? Let's break it down. The first step, build your channel around one topic. I can't emphasize that enough. Or even just a very specific core theme. Think of your audience like a TV show. Audience usually come back because they know exactly what to expect. I have watched The US Office, I think, around 15 times, and I'm not even ashamed to say that. I'll probably watch it again.
What's the procedure?
But it's because, for me, of the relatability. The same characters in the same setting and the same style of jokes and comedy. It's heartwarming for me, and it gives me that sense of groundedness, something that I can go back to and something that I believe in and care in. For example, if your channel is about tech reviews, why on earth would you randomly post vlogs about fitness content? It just wouldn't work for your channel. So stick to your niche, show the algorithm, which, let's face it, is just your audience. Show them that you know who your audience is and who them videos are for. Stop relying on your subscribers to watch because they know you. Get over yourself. And I'm only saying this because that's how I feel right now, and something that one of my mentors and that I've been telling myself, and my mentor put it really well in the last discussion I had with them. Just get over yourself. Put out the content that people want to watch. Think of it this way. Put out a video that your first time viewer wants, and make your video irresistible to that person. Now, I do want to talk about metrics because, let's face it, metrics are key to growing your channel. And the metric that YouTube values most right now, in my opinion, is watch time. Data shows that videos with higher average view durations are pushed further by the YouTube algorithm, even if they don't have millions of views or loads of subscribers initially. This is exactly what I'm working on changing and re-hooking my viewers after a certain length in my videos. So if you're liking the video, keep watching, hit that subscribe button, comment below, oh, and dangle your little mouse over that notification bell and bash! Give it a little ring. So, if you want to maximize retention, plan your content with retention in mind. According to YouTube's Creator Insider, videos that retain over 50% of viewers through the first half are 60% more likely to be promoted in suggested videos. It's simple. So hook viewers in the first 30 seconds with a clear reason to keep them watching, and pace your video to consistently deliver value or entertainment. Hopefully I'm doing both. Another winning strategy: don't think of your videos as one-offs. Think of your channel as a connected ecosystem, almost like a series on Netflix. The data shows that when viewers watch multiple videos in a session, YouTube will promote your content more aggressively. At the end of the video, I will definitely be recommending another video for you to go and watch, rather than just saying, subscribe, see you later, maybe see you in the next one, bye. See, I believe in all the videos that I put out. So I want to be recommending you to another one to hopefully help grow your channel or become better as a creator or a creative. So if you do go to another video, comment on that other video that you found it through going through another video of mine. Does that make sense? If you've gone from this video to another video, comment below that you went from this video. But let's get back to this video. What can you do today to get started? Start by reviewing your last 10 videos. What topics performed best on your channel? What's your retention rate of those videos? Find patterns, go to YouTube Studio and find patterns in what's working and double down on that niche or that video topic. And all you have to do this is go into YouTube Studio, and the analytics and the metrics are already there. So if you're not using YouTube Studio, you might as well delete your channel right now, because all the data and analytics are in your channel. This will give you all the insights on why your channel and why your videos are not performing. So the basic rule is get in the engagement tab and check out your watch time and when your viewers are falling off or when they're deciding to stop watching your videos. Next, I want you to go to the click-through rate that you'll find in your reach tab. And this will show you if your title and your thumbnail are working or not, which is all about how your packaging works for that video. If your packaging is not right, your video is not gonna get shown and clicked and not gonna get recommended to anybody else. For me, my last 2 videos performed better than some of my earlier videos, which is because I've looked at the data and realized what was working and what wasn't. So putting a new spin on those videos or those thumbnails or those titles or those topics, but keeping the core elements of what I tried in both of those videos helped me loads. Now all you have to do is find out how to maximize this. Is it a better upload schedule? Is it picking certain days to edit or create your scripts? Is it your thumbnail designs? Is it your editing process? Is it paying for an editor, paying for a scriptwriter, paying for a thumbnail designer? All of this will come into play in designing your channel. The creators who succeed in this new era in 2025 are the ones who treat every single video like a step in a bigger game. So if you're a new creator wanting to grow in 2025, I highly recommend watching another one of my videos to see how you can monetize your channel and grow in 2025. I told you I was going to do it. Thanks for watching to the end. Peace.